Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to take LifePlan Probio 20 complete capsules. Okay, so in this video I'm going to provide you each and every information. So let's get started. First of all, as you know, this product is very good for your balanced digestive system. So if you are facing any issue related to your digestive system, related to your intestine, and related to your, you can say, bioenzymes, so this product is really good for you. Okay, so if you have already purchased and you want to know how to use this product, so you have to take one capsule after breakfast. In the morning time you can try this product, okay, and you can take it with you can say water, normal water, and that's it. You have to take this capsule in the morning after breakfast, okay, and one capsule per day. Okay, so this is the recommendation dose, okay, recommended dose, and you can see over here recommended take one capsule per day after food, okay, with a cold drink water. Okay, and this is the information, and don't exceed the recommended intake, because when you you can say overdose this product, it will give you some kind of side effect related to your intestine, related to your digestive disorder. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment box, and if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will try to solve your all the queries. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.